Hey everyone, and welcome back. Before we begin here today, please make sure that you like and subscribe because it really does help out our channel, and it also really helps us reach others in need of assistance with these topics. So what we're going to be covering today's video is we're going to be covering calculus, and we're going to be going over the chain rule, how to solve derivatives, and this will be the third part in this series of the chain rule. So we are going to be determining the derivative of this expression shown here, and we're going to be utilizing the chain rule to solve that. So pretty much whenever you have the chain rule, you're going to have to use it whenever you have some kind of expression to the power of something. It's the best way to use the chain rule is to use it when you have this type of derivative. So utilizing the chain rule, we're going to have to set some variables here. So we're going to set our u variable to everything that's inside of this power. So that u variable will be x to the third minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. And then we're also going to set an f variable, and we're just going to set that to u to that power of 8. So essentially what we've done is we've taken all of this, replaced it with u, and then f will be this entire expression to the power of 8. So this whole derivative then will become, with these expressions, it will be df dx then. So in order to utilize the chain rule, it's going to be df du times du dx. So we have to find the derivative of f with respect to u, or the derivative, yeah, that's right, and then the derivative of u with respect to the x variable. So let's go ahead and find those real quick. So df du is going to be d du of u to the power of 8. And then our du dx is going to be d dx, or the derivative with respect to x for the u equation of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. So let's go ahead and plug all of these into my expression up here, which is my total derivative is equal to my first part of df du, which is du times u to the power of 8. And then that is multiplied by my second one, which is d dx of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. Alrighty, so pretty simple derivatives to take now. So the derivative of u to the power of 8 is just going to be 8 times u to the 7. So drop the power, because all of these are going to be in form of ax to the b now. So when you take the derivative of this with respect to x, it is going to be your constant in front of it, a, times the power of b, and then it'll be times x to the b to the minus 1. Well, all of these are in that form, so we have 1 as our a here, so multiply by 8, and then 8 minus 1 gives us 7. And then that's going to be multiplied through this entire expression with this derivative, so x to the third becomes 3x squared, and then minus 3 times 2, which gives me 6, to the x, or times x to the first, and then 4x just becomes 4, and then 5, no x attached to it, so it just becomes 0. Alrighty. So let's plug back in what we had for x, or for u, sorry, which was this expression right here. So we will have 8 times that entire expression, which is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. All of that is to the power of 7. And then multiplied by the second portion here of 3x squared minus 6 plus 4. And you could fill this out a little bit further, simplify it down a little bit further, taking this to the power of 7 and then multiplying all the variables through and getting like terms. Or if you don't want to go through that entire step, this is your final answer right here. So that would be the derivative of the original expression. And that's how you would use the chain rule to solve for those type of derivatives. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you want to see more problem solvers Friday, please check out the other videos on our channel. Also, if you haven't done so already, please like this video, leave a positive comment below, and subscribe to the channel, because all of that does help us. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.